Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Retekess. The last video was about pairing the pages with the keyboard, and in this video we will show you how to change the promote mode of the pages. First we can press the back button and the call button at the same time. We can see F1. It means that the base ID, and we can choose F2, F3, F4 on the keyboard. If we want to turn on the vibration mode of the pages, we can choose F4 and press call button to confirm. The number 1 means on, and the number 0 means off. Number 1 to number 9. Number 9 means on. We can turn it off and we can test it. Enter 0. Press call button. We can hear the beep sound. It means we are successful, and we can test it. Press the back button to the main interface and press the number of the pager. Press call. It means we're successful, and press the pagers on the keyboard. And we can also enter F5. F5 means the light mode of the pagers. We can press call to confirm. 0 means off, and 1 means slow, 2 means fast, 3 to 9 means breathing light. We can test it. F5, press call, and press 1. It means slow. Press call to confirm. We can hear the beep sound. It means we're successful. And back to the main interface. We can test it. Okay, that's all. If you still have questions, please email us at support@retekess.com.